Welcome to the Amazon Coralogix course. We're going to learn how to connect AWS, Amazon Web Services, with the Coralogix platform. You're going to learn how to generate insights, capture new information, contextual data, logs, metrics, traces, the whole lot. So we're going to cover everything from building custom dashboards using AWS. Cost data is one example here. You can see that we use AWS enrichment, and we'll see into this as well. Different integrations that are available, including pulling from like SNS and AWS status logs. Configuring custom webhooks or connecting to Amazon Event Bridge when you want to push out events that have occurred within the Coralogix platform, like alarms, or of course, serverless APM. This is just a flavor of some of the things we're going to cover. Everything's going to be a full tutorial, so I'll show you how to connect, for example, Firehose to the Coralogix account and much, much more. So the idea here is that by the time you finish this course, you're very comfortable with the various different ways that Coralogix can connect to different Amazon services in a really clear and concise manner that doesn't require reading reams and reams of documentation, although indeed we have plenty of documentation for you to use on the Coralogix website. So let's get started.